Welcome back, you guys. Today is going to be another haul that we're going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I picked up from Five and Below. I wanted to film my Five and Below haul with you guys, like actually going to the store, but the day that we had gone, it was kind of quick. We had to hurry up. We had the kids and everything, and it would have been a shit show. So anyways, I'm going to show you everything that I picked up at Five and Below. We're going to go ahead and swatch it. We're going to look at it, and then hopefully after I do this video, we'll go ahead and I will do a first impressions using everything. Without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Stephanie, and if you guys are not new to my channel, you guys are just coming back for another video, well, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's get diving into it. I don't know if this is just a Midwest thing or if it's on either coast. I know that when I asked my mom, I told her, I was like, go to Five and Below, get some stuff there. She had no idea what I was talking about, so I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys know about Five and Below. But basically, my Five and Below was pretty awesome. Like, we had a really big makeup cap, so I picked up as much as I could. I tried to be mindful of what I was going to do with my makeup look, and I didn't want to overboard like I did the last time with my Shop Miss A haul when I ended up picking up like 15 highlighters. So let's get diving into the very first thing that I picked up, which is this rose brush. This here was $3. So I saw this and I was like, wow, that is really similar to a lot of the other brushes that were coming out. I know that Wet n Wild just did their Rebel Rose and they had theirs, but I like this one. It is a synthetic brush. I thought it'd be really pretty to use as like a blush brush or something. So the first palette I picked up, I did pick up this Beauty Treats palette. This is the Rose Gold Nudes eyeshadow collection. So I figured let's swatch a few really quick. So there's a brown shade. There's another matte brown shade. There we go. I always feel like metallics and shimmers are usually really good in these palettes. My deal is with the mattes. Look at that. That's actually really pretty. Let's do something darker. Okay. Definitely on the lighter side of the spectrum, but who knows? I mean, this is just arm swatches. We definitely have to see what it's like once we put it on our eyes. That's what I picked up for eyeshadow. All right, I do like that one. The next palette I picked up is the Starlit Metals Pressed Metallic Pigment Palette. This one was on the lighter side. The eyeshadow palettes were one of the sections that was the most picked through, so it was kind of hard, but I wanted to just see what it was like. Like I said, this one was $5. So, I don't know. I mean, even from the pan, this looks a little bit rough, but you see that though? I mean, it's not bad. It's not great, but oh, look at this one. All right. Definitely think that with this one definitely feels a little bit more drier. So I feel like with this one, we'll definitely have to go in with some Fix Plus or something. But I do see potential in it. It's an all metallic palette, which I was like totally for $3. I thought that was a really good deal, by the way. I was like, $3 is really cheap. But this here is the Misty Natural Matte Finish Setting Spray. Locks in your makeup, no touch needed. And this is by Smoke and Mirrors. It doesn't smell like anything. I was wondering if it was going to leave like a aftermark. Some of these matte finishes you got to be careful with because they will leave white dots on your face if you don't shake it really well, but that's a really nice spray. I don't smell anything. Wouldn't it be funny if they just put water in it? So my Five and Below did have a Wet n Wild and e.l.f. products in their collection. I thought that they were a little bit older, like parts of their collection. Like from the e.l.f. they had more of their like $1 and $3 stuff. And then from Wet n Wild it was like just mascaras and a couple foundations. The one thing I did not pick up was foundation. I could not find anything in my shade range, so I wasn't able to pick up anything there. But I only picked up one Wet n Wild item. I wanted to try to stay away from those brands because I wanted to see what else was out in Five and Below, but I did have to pick up a mascara from Wet n Wild. So I went in with the Mega Volume Mascara, which is supposed to boost volume. So Smoke and Mirrors must be like their brand there, I assume, because this one is also by Smoke and Mirrors, and this here is their setting powder, which is a matte finish and shine control, and this here is $3. Look at how pretty that holographic label is. We also did get the Smoke and Mirrors Red Velvet 5-piece Velvet Matte Lip Gloss. Founded in New York City for an exquisite city lady look and feel, this all-feminine and sexy series is formulated to stimulate a woman's senses, ignite her imagination, and explore her dreams. Sounds like packaging to a vibrator. So we're gonna start off with the very first one, which is the really deep brownish burgundy shade. Is that a lip gloss? That is really pigmented for a lip gloss. Do you see that? I don't think this is a lip gloss. I think this is a lip stain. Look at that. That definitely doesn't feel like a lip gloss. So it's not, it is a liquid lipstick. I hate when they say lip gloss. That's why I bought it. All right, the next one is this bright red one. Doesn't have shade names, but this is super bright. I must say, these are super pigmented. It actually smells really good too, though, you guys. And then I have this baby doll pink one. This one's a little patchy. Then I have this other pink one. This one's a little bit more deeper. That's a true Barbie pink. And then we have this purple one. So there's all 5 shades. I'm actually really impressed with this. This one's drying pretty quickly. The smells good. The pigment is there. And just like looking at it, I don't know that it's going to be super drying or if it'll be like a nice feel on the lips. So I'm excited to try that one though. The next palette I picked up is this by BI, which is Beauty Intuition. It's called Throw Shade, and it's a metallic and matte eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this definitely looks like a highlighter palette. Where do I have room? I mean, those are some really pretty shades though. So next one I have is this right here called the Glow Getter. Isn't that pretty? This is by Color Story. It is a face and cheek palette. So you got a matte bronzer, a blush, which has got a little bit of like gold reflex to it. You got a golden glow, it's what they call it, and then more of like a tan shade, and this one is the high beam. So these two are highlighters. So this is Dusty Rose, and this is the blush, really pretty. Then you've got the Sculpting Set, which is their bronzer. That's actually really nice. Then we have Golden Glow, which is their gold highlighter. Where'd it go? Ooh, okay. And then we have High Beam. Here are the swatches. You cannot see the highlighters at all, but the blush is really pretty and the Sculpting Set is really pretty also. So there's that. This other one I picked up is called the Boss Babe. I will say the packaging on these are really pretty. Like, they have some great packaging on here. This one here is an eyeshadow palette also. So you've got a couple different shades in here. I kind of like the color story in this. So then Jeremy threw these two in the cart for some reason. And this is an eyeliner and stencil set. And you get an eyeliner and then you get a little stencil set in the back. And then it comes with all of this like glitter. You see that? I don't know. So we picked up that. And then the last thing I picked up was the Smoke and Mirrors Setting Spray. And this is supposed to provide illumination. Not really sure what I'm going to do with all that glitter in here. It's really cute. I feel like the pricing is a little bit off. This one here is $2. And this one here is $3. But whatever. Do you see that? Oh my God. I just shot at the wall. Oh. It's a good thing I didn't spray that into my face. That literally just like shoots out water. Okay. And it literally dries down like it's water. Like so here it is dry and this is it wet. I don't see anything yet. So there is everything I picked up from my 5 and Below haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys have picked up at 5 and Below that's been either a hit or a miss. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Next video will be first impressions using everything. So I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.